Hey everybody, hope you're doing all well. I'm looking forward to touching base with you again very soon. Maybe even today. I think our schedule is going to be for today, but there'll be more information about that in other places. So this is for math today. And just a quick reminder, this is Thursday's math lesson. There's been one on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today. So this is the fourth math lesson. If you haven't done those other ones, go back and do those first, and then come back then come back here and watch this. It's important that you do this in order. Just to get the basic building blocks. There's also been one science lesson, so make sure that you are also doing that. It's just a set of notes, and there'll be some more science next week as well. So for today, you've already clicked on this video. It's not showing here yet because that's what I'm making right now. But we're going to look at this. This is the work for today. This worksheet right here, and it's a lot like the PRISM worksheet from yesterday, only you have to calculate the area of the triangle, and I get to that in just a minute. And then there's another one. It's just more practice. It's not really more advanced. It's the same stuff, but if you need extra practice, it's there. And like yesterday, the answer key is actually attached to these. So if I open this up, very slow internet right now. I think is it opening for me? Let me try this again here. There we go. Okay, so we are going to get the volume of these triangular prisms, we're going to get the area of this and then multiply by the length. So it's going to be 7 times 5 divided by 2, which is 17.5, and then times 12, and that'll give us the volume. Notice they're in inches and feet. I apologize for that. I couldn't find any good metric examples to pop online for you. So we're working in the imperial US system right now. But what I was pointing out is there's an instructional video. We'll get to that in just a minute. But as you finish that page and look here, there's an answer key. So if your answers are matching up, you're probably doing it correctly. You really are. If your answers aren't, then let me know and I'll give you a hand. So let's go back to our website here. And this video, I'll leave it separate as well from this video, just in case you want to watch it alone instead of watching the whole. Oh, it's gone. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, guys, these are the first 3 questions off the worksheet from today. Or if you did the advanced yesterday, this is the worksheet from yesterday. There's actually an answer key attached to this or below it. So if you download the PDF or even look on screen, there's 2 pages to it. There's this page and then there's a page with the answer key. But the answer key doesn't show the work. So I'm going to do that now with you. So we can do these 3 together, especially if you're struggling with it. Let's do it together right now. And then you can try the next 3 on your own. So just like with the cylinders, we have to get the area of the front or the face. And in this case, it's this triangle right here, right? So we need to get the area of this triangle right here. We need to get the area of this triangle right here. And we need to get the area of this triangle right here. When they were cylinders, with the area of the circle. But this is a little bit different because they're triangular prisms. And then we multiply that by the other dimension. So the length of the depth or the height, or depending on where the shape is sitting and how it's configured. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to do the area of each one of these. And I apologize that they're in like the American or imperial units, inches and feet. But the best page I found to work on was this one. And it would happen to be in those units. So I'm going to go area equals base times height divided by 2. Okay, so the base of this is actually 7 inches times the height, which is 5 inches divided by 2. So the area it's 7 times 5, and I can do that on my calculator right here. I think it's 17.5 anyway, but we'll just calculate it, 17.5, and it's going to be units squared. And in this case, it's inches squared. Okay, then I take that for volume and I multiply the area of the face, 17.5, times the area of, I guess we call that the length of the depth, which is 12 in this case. So I still have this answer on my calculator. So I multiply that by 12 and I get 210 inches cubed. So it could be centimeters cubed or inches cubed or decimeters or meters cubed, whatever the case may be. Okay, second one, same question, almost exactly. You're just going to do the area of this triangle. All right, there's another 2 examples on there. I'll let you watch that video separately. For some reason, I can't make it expand in here, so it'd probably be better to watch it separately. So that's what we're going to do for today. So watch this little video here. then this is your instructional video. If you need it, you may not even need it. Some of you are flying through this already. And then you can do this page for sure. This is for everybody. And then this page is optional. And that's our math for the day. So I hope you have a really good day. Hope to connect with you guys a little bit later on today. Talk to you soon.